This could be the car for you. The 2018 BMW 530e. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Speak softly, step lightly, drive a high-performance automobile designed with sustainability in mind. The 530e. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, keyless start, heated mirrors, backup camera, multi-zone AC, aluminum wheels. Think forward, think hybrid. Drive the 530e.